Hi guys, welcome back to the channel once again. It's your girl Dumebilia up on your screen, and if this is your first time stumbling on my channel and seeing my gorgeous melanin beautiful face, you're welcome. I do hope you decide to join the big happy family by hitting the subscribe button right below this video, just right here, and then the notification bell. That way YouTube will let you know whenever I drop a new video, and I drop new videos twice every week on this channel. I try to be consistent. And if you're an oldie coming back again, you guys are the real MVP. You're my family, you know I love you, you know how we do it. So today we're going to be talking about I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve the perfect nude lips combination for dark skin. Now when it comes to nude lips, a nude lip that a light skin person will wear is different from the nude lip that a medium brown skin person will wear. It's also different from a nude lip that someone that is very rich in melanin like myself would wear. So guys, before we begin, I'll be listing out the things that you're going to be needing to achieve a perfect nude lips on yourself as a dark skinned girl or dark skinned woman. The first thing you need is your lip balm. This is my lip balm right here. You know, you could use a lip balm basically to prime your lips, to allow your lipstick or your pencil or whatever it is you're going to apply to glide through easily and perfectly. You could use a Vaseline just a little bit in case you don't have a lip balm. Then you need the perfect shade of nude lipsticks. I personally love to use lip stains. I have my brown lip stains here. Let me just show you, like I brought out a lot of them for you guys. Okay, so now I have like these rich brown shades. Can you guys see? These are the brown shades that I have here. And when you see it in comparison to my skin, you know that this is what my nude should look like. So now to create an ombre effect, I have some lighter shades of brown or nudes here. Now there are so many different shades to pick from over here. Guys, the shades are all beautiful. Some have a pink tint, some have an orange tint. You know, like they all have different kind of undertones and different tints to them. Can you guys see? So you guys can see there's this one here, there's this one here, there's this one, there's also this one, there's this, and there's this. This one is more orangey. This one has more of a very bright beige but with a pinky tone. So it depends on the kind of nude you're going for. So by the time you combine it with a brown outer lippy, you're going to look gorgeous. And the last thing that you need here is an eyeshadow blending brush. We're going to be using this in blending the two colors of lipsticks together. So without talking too much, let's get right into the actual lipstick application. Usually guys, I just go right into my lip stain and begin to apply it. But if you want your lips to have like a defined outline, I'd advise you use a pencil first of all to line your lips. To line my lips, I'm going to be going in with my Mabrook pencil. This pencil is my holy grail when it comes to filling my eyebrows. So I'm going to be lining my lips with this first of all. If you have really full lips, you can apply your pencil or whatever you're applying inside your lip line, like here. But because I want to make my lips look fuller, and I want to plump them up just a bit, I'm going to be lining slightly below my lip line, like so. So when I approach my Cupid's bow, I'm going to form like an inverted, like an M. So the brown lipstick that I'll be taking is this one. It's from a Nigerian brand called Zikel Cosmetics. You don't have to be brand specific. Just use any dark brown lip gloss or lipstick that you have at your disposal. So look at this one in contrast to my skin. You can see that if it was like maybe in a foundation color or in a powder shade, this would be something dark enough for me to contour with. So that's what I'm going to be using. So I'm going to bring it inwards just slightly, like so, at the edges. So guys, for the nude, I've decided on this shade. This is the shade that I'm going to be using. And I always tell you that if you want to know the right shade of nude, look for something that looks like a shade of concealer that you'd use to highlight your under eyes. So anything close to that shade would be perfect as a nude lipstick for you to use in the inner part of your lips. So I'm not going to spread it too wide. Then I'm just going to smack. Another trick that I like to do is that I take my actual concealer. This is the concealer that I use usually in my under eye, and I'm going to use it to dab on top of what I already applied, because I always like my nude lipstick to have like more of like a yellow tint. Place just a little bit here. Then I'm going to use my eyeshadow blending brush and take some of that concealer and then dab it inwards like this. Now if you guys notice, I'm paying more attention to my lower lip than to my upper lip. I'm blending the dark one and dragging it into the lighter one, the lighter part of the lipstick. Just little, just very little of the concealer this time around to apply just in this lower part here, inwards like this. This is where I want the lighter shade to be. At this point, we've gotten the blending of the lipstick, but we don't stop here. I'm going to clean up the lips, and I'll be showing you how. I'm going to be doing that with my foundation and with a straight brush, something like this. Straight, maybe angled or so, but something that can give you that precision. That's what I'm going to use. I'm actually not going to be using my shade of foundation. I'll be using something slightly lighter than me, because that is what is going to give me the highlight that I need. So this is the foundation that I'm using. This one, you can see, like, in comparison to my skin tone, it's like just maybe like one shade lighter than me. So that's what you have to blend it very well, because if you use something lighter than you and you don't blend it very well, it's just going to be like you're highlighting your lips and you begin to look like a fish in my opinion. I'm done. I'm just going to be using my eyeshadow blending brush just to blend this part a bit, and I'll apply powder in that area. Guys, this is the finished look of the lips. Guys, there's a classic we all know, which is glossy nude lips. Like, you can never go wrong with glossy nude lips. So I'm going to be actually glossing up these lips, and the gloss that I'm using is from Polar Beauty. Remember what I said, that you don't have to be brand specific. You can use any gloss that you have, but I prefer you use something that has a wand. That way you can actually direct the gloss to wherever it goes. So guys, the trick with applying lip gloss is that lip gloss tends to darken any lipstick that you have on. So because of that, I'm going to be reapplying my concealer in the middle of my lips just a bit. Whenever you apply lipstick or whatever on lip gloss, you have to be very careful to apply just little and to blend it properly. If not, it's going to like separate on the lip gloss. So I'm just going to dab it a bit, and then I will blend with my finger. So guys, this is the end. I'm done with the lipstick. I just applied my blush. Now I'm going to give you a few tips. If your lip gloss like came outside the lip outline, like, and you need to clean it up, I advise you use like tissue, because tissue is dry, so you just use that to dab off the excess. And if you want to clean up around the lips, do not use your foundation, because foundation is wet, and if it comes in contact with the gloss by the side, it can really get messy. So what I advise is that you use your powder and your powder brush. When you just take your shade of powder, you just squeeze the powder brush like so, and then you use it just to trace and dab some powder around the lips. That is after you have wiped off the excess lip gloss with tissue. So I think this is the end of this video. I hope you found my tips helpful. Let me know in the comment section what you think, or if you have any questions pertaining this particular video. Please share this video with your friends, with your mama, with your neighbor, with everybody around you, because it helps my channel whenever you guys share my videos. And if you have any requests on tutorials you want to see, let me know. I'm going to be linking one up. The one that I'm linking is another lip tutorial, but on how to do ombre lips that are perfect for dark-skinned women. I hope you're interested in that. Check it out. Please subscribe if you haven't. And I love you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.